So if we say that A is a subset of B, then A is called the subset and B is called the superset of A. So इसी basis पे we also define two more sets, which are the power set and the universal set. The power set is the collection of all the subsets of a set. Now suppose I have a set A जिसमें there are elements 1 and 2, right? Now phi, that means the empty set, is also a subset of A. So we write phi is a subset of A. Now if I write the set singleton 1, now this is also a subset of A क्योंकि जो इसमें है वो A में भी है. Every element of this set belongs to A. So this is also a subset of A. And then I write the singleton 2 is also a subset of A, and similarly A is also a subset of A. So basically A के जितने भी possible subsets हैं वो है phi, singleton 1, singleton 2 and the set A itself. So the total number of subsets of A we have are 4. So we write the power set of A to be P of A. Power set of any set is denoted by P of something, and we write it to be the collection of all the subsets of A and A itself. So this is the power set of A. Now remember, the number of elements in the power set of A can be given by n is equals to, अगर आपके पास A में m elements हैं तो the number of elements n in the power set A can be given by 2 to the power m. That means अगर set A में 2 elements हैं, then the power set of A would have 2 to the power 2 elements. That means 4 elements. If the set A has 3 elements, then the power set of A would have 2 to the power 3 elements. That means A elements. So this is how we define the power set of any set. Then comes the universal set. यूनिवर्सल सेट वो होता है जिसमें हर सबसेट आ सके. दैट मीन्स पावर सेट और यूनिवर्सल सेट में एक बेसिक डिफरेंस ये होता है कि यूनिवर्सल सेट इज द कलेक्शन और द बिगेस्ट सेट which are talking about in a particular criteria. For example, if I talk about the numbers, in the number system, if I talk about the numbers, we know that the set of natural numbers is a subset of Z, that means integers, which is a subset of rational numbers and which is a subset of real numbers. So here we can see that R, that means the set of real numbers, is the power set of all these numbers, right? And also R में आपके सारे के सारे numbers आ जाते हैं. We always talk about the real line. So basically the set of real numbers is the universal set for all of these sets. And if I talk about किसी भी जगह पर अगर हम population की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, for example if I am talking about the population of people in India, so the power set for that particular set would be the population of people in the whole world. So the universal set is that set जिसमें सारे के सारे set आ जाएं of that particular discussion, of that particular context. So that is called the universal set, and the universal set is denoted by the letter U. So we write that all those letters जिससे भी हम denote कर रहे हैं, A, B, so on, E, G, etc. all these sets belong to the universal set U. So I hope that all the topics were clear to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay updated. And if you have any queries or you want any specific video to be uploaded, you can mail on the mail ID chalktalkwithvanshika@gmail.com. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.